Hello, welcome to Unisport YouTube channel, Learning Made Easy. Are you looking for an online tool to generate student assessments and quizzes with a fair control over the test takers and your students? Yeah, look no further. In this video series, I will give you a step-by-step complete guide to use an awesome online tool that gives you freedom and versatility in generating a multiple quizzes with a lot of controlling options where students can be assessed. Classmarker.com is a free online tool which has both paid subscription and free versions, and the good thing is that the free version gives you all the versatility and functionalities that are required for a general assessment of your students. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so that you won't miss the upcoming step-by-step guides. Let's go towards the browser and I will show you the interface of this software. This tool is available on www.classmarker.com. In today's video, I will be giving you insights of how to create a free account. But before that, if you are interested to know the more significance of the softwares and functionality available in the free version, you have to click on this link given in this video. Alright, here you go. When you click on the register free, you will be taken to the registration portal where you will give you all further details just like a normal things, names, and email addresses, and you can create your account. Once you click on the register, you will be asked whether you are a test taker, means if you are a student and you have been asked by someone to register for the test taker so that they can attempt the quizzes set by you, whether you are an administrator, which means you are a teacher. And here, for the education purpose and for the teachers, I would select this option for education use. You just click on this link and here you will see that this is an account type which is not for profit. You can view results, you can take tests in the groups, and later on if you see it is a significant software, you can register it and pay the subscription charges to avail more advanced features. Alright, it gives you a disclaimer as well that your free account can only save and review the test results taken by the pre-registered users in the groups. This I will explain in the next video when I will talk about generating the groups of your students and then assigning the tests. So here you can register your account with your details, and here for this tutorial I will use my channel details. I'll give the channel name as the first name, YTC YouTube channel as the second name, and you can define a username as well, and it tells you straight away whether your username is available or not. And you just type in a password. It should be 8 characters long. Maximum password length is 72 characters. Need one number, one letter, and one special character. Then you give the email address. You can send me an email as well on the same address if you have any questions and if you want me to make a specialized tutorial about the Classmarker, and I will respond to that and make a video and upload it. Alright, then you click I'm not a robot. That's fine, that's done. Sending Classmarker's new updates is a quite reasonable feature where you will be notified from the Classmarker official team about new features which are being introduced with the time, and then you must have to agree with the terms and conditions and then register. Voila, here you go. That is your dashboard or the front end of your software when you have registered as the teacher, and it will give you a tutorial at the start. So I will tell you that in your dashboard, the quick information you will see. First of all, you have to look into your My Account, which will give you the details of your account. So you click on My Account and you see that My Plan. Here you see it gives you the description which we have registered for, education for free plan. It gives you a 100 credits. So here Classmarker work in a way that the 100 credit means that you can conduct 100 individual quizzes in 1 month, and that month starts from the day of your registration. Like I have registered it today, the 7th of April, so the next reset cycle would be 7th of May. Today I have all 100 credits, but once I assign quizzes to my students, for example, I have a class of 50 students and I assign them a quiz. So once they attempt those quizzes, I will be left over with 50 credits, and so that I can use those 50 credits to assign another 50 tests or quizzes to my students. If you have a class of 25, you can conduct 4 assessments in a month. If you have a class of 100 students, you're going to conduct only 1 assessment. So this is one major limitation in the free account, but I think most of the teachers have students less than 50 in their class, so that suits them to conduct at least 2 quizzes in a month. If you need further details about credits, you can click on how the credit works, and you can scroll through and browse all those different options here. Then here you can see your details, like the name of the person who registered. You will see your name here, your username, password, your email address, and then your country, time zones, and everything. You can edit your details here. You can change your password from here. Once you are running with that Classmarker thing and you want to know how many students you have already registered, so you can look into this, that you can register students in the groups, and you have a limit of 5,000 students maximum in the free account, and 5,000 is a fair amount. Since this is a new account, we haven't registered any student yet, so you will see all 5,000 limits available, and you can create a group of maximum 1,000 students. You can add a teacher assistant by assigning in the assistant section. You can give their details and email address, and they can generate their account, and they will be linked with your account as well. Right, so that was basic information about your account, and once we go back in our dashboard, we will see the 3 more tabs: the tests, which tells you that how many tests are available; the groups, which tells you the number of the groups available; and the links is to use the links you have generated to assign the test to the students.